Damn dare.
Yeah. Good morning, folks. Weather doesn't look too good for racing today, so yeah. You guessed it, we were out testing again last night, but more than that, just a little bit. But right now we're concentrating getting the whole lawn mowed. Pops did some mowing yesterday. We're doing the cleanup stuff today. We did a bunch of trim work and all that stuff. He's back there mowing right now. Before I sneak up on him, see what he's doing. Yep, he's mowing. You see me? Doesn't seem too pleased. He's hot.
Damn dare.
Yeah. Now we're getting ready for flushing the tanks, getting ready for the next few weeks of racing, multiple day weekends. So we're gonna be actually staying overnight. So anyway, flushing the tanks right now to get all that situated, and try to get this done for today before the rain hits. You can see it's starting really cloudy up and stuff this morning here. So let's check the radar out. Okay, radar. Go to weather underground. Okay, and shade here. Okay, Asbury. Holy Toledo. They are getting pounded. It's about where all this red is at and orange. So, wow. Starting to become less likely that it's actually going to be in a race today. So that's what the radar looks like right now. So it's not raining here, obviously, but keep going on. Or need some air. You're using air in there. Well, kind of update the most, what, 11 o'clock here. So right now up in around Mokan, they're showing 69 degrees and 100% precipitation or rain. If I can get this thing to refresh or not. There we go. You can tell there's Carl's Junction right where my finger is. Pittsburgh track is somewhere right there where my finger's at, so you can see it's still green. Kind of zoom out here a little bit. So once again, about where my finger is at. It looks like it's gonna be raining there for the next few hours for sure. So not sure if we're gonna get any racing in today. So basically today's probably gonna be a washout, but if we happen to go, we'll definitely go. But right now we're just messing around on the property, getting things cleaned up. Pops is out there doing some protecting on his pergola. So anyway, so it might be a washout day. Don't know. Anyway, we'll get off here and get some stuff done. Well, just check my phone real quick, and it is official. No racing today. So it's canceled. They said heavy rain and wind this morning. So looks like there's definitely no racing today. So we're gonna take the weekend off. Didn't really want to, but it is what it is. At least we get some other stuff done here. Get the stuff done around the house and whatnot stuff. So anyway, no racing this weekend, but next weekend is Labor Day. We will be out there. We'll be up there Friday night. We got some racing Saturday and Sunday to do. So anyway, look forward to that on the next video coming out for that. So anyway, like I said, we got some stuff to piddle around here around the house to do, get some things cleaned up, get the trailer ready for next weekend. Since it's a multi-day race weekend, we have got to clean out the trailer, get the sinks ready, the shower commode, all that stuff ready to go, and get the beds loaded up and all that stuff. And I'll have that in my other video, how we use this over a 2-day weekend. It's pretty cool what we do. So anyway, with that, thanks for watching. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe to it and hit that like button. Until then.